Guten Tag, welcome back to my channel. This is your German teacher Urvashi Sharma with another session. So we have covered Lektion 4 and today we are going to start with the revision work of the chapter. So today we'll revise personal pronoun, but before I'll begin with the same, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe the channel, hit the like button below and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's get started. So, 7th class, today I'm gonna start with the revision of personal pronoun. So, you should know what are personal pronoun. The pronouns are used, or the pronoun can be used at the place of noun. Why we are using pronoun? We are using pronoun to avoid repetition of the sentence. So as you can see, personal pronouns are used in place of nouns in order to avoid repetition. So this is what I have explained, that we have to avoid repetition. That's why we are using monotony. Example, Rahul is absent because Rahul is sick. So at the place of Rahul, I can replace it by er or he. So Rahul is absent because he is sick. In German, the substitution of the pronoun is strictly according to the article of the noun. Now, I am going to explain the pronoun in nominative. Here, this one is the table of nominative which is on your screen, and this one is the table of accusative. You can see this, right? Might you have this question, ma'am, how can we identify whether we have to use nominative personal pronoun or accusative personal pronoun? So beta, this is very simple. In any sentence, if you are getting only who or what, listen to me carefully. In any sentence, if you are getting only who or what, if you are getting only who or what, it will be considered as nominative. And if you are getting who plus what in a sentence, it will be a case of accusative. Now let me explain. Ish will be I, do will be you, and in Hindi it will be tu. Then er will be he, s will be it, z will be she, e will be we all, z will be they, and z will be you, singular and plural. So I'm just writing the difference between 3z. If you are not clear with them, this is she, means this is used for girl. They matlab वह सब, and z means plural matlab aap. Okay, now I'm just explaining this table. Mish means me, dish means you, ihn means him, s means it, z means her, oish means you all, uns means us, z means them, and z means you. Now listen, now I'm going to explain how can we use them. Okay, so this exercise, though we have done this exercise, I'm just giving you a quick recap of this exercise, first 5 parts again. Ist du den Apfel nicht, which means don't you eat an apple. In this sentence only you can see we have apple and you. So who will be you and apple will be what? Here we get a combination of who plus what in this sentence only. So this sentence will be accusative. Then nein, ich esse dash nicht. No, I don't eat. What I don't eat? Apple. Article of apple was den apple. Den will become in, ihn. Dash is sour. It is sour in taste, so I will write air. Okay, now let me explain the next point. Siehst du den Film? A B C D. I think this one is also clear to you, that in this part also I am talking about a movie. Okay, you and a movie. Who, this is my who, this is my what. Who plus what is accusative. Ya ish zeha. Here I am talking about movie. Article of movie was den, and den becomes in. Okay, keep this in mind. Der becomes den, den becomes e. That's it. This is nominative, this is accusative, and this is personal pronoun of accusative. Look again. Nominative, accusative, personal pronoun of accusative. I am just explaining third point. Herr Müller is nicht verheiratet, which means Mr. Müller is not married. Dash is latish. This is clear. He is single. This is my nominative. This is accusative, accusative. He will be er. Simple. Yeah. So next one, liegt dein Kuli da, which means is your pen lying there? Yeah, dash liegt here for yes, it lies in front here. Air. This is also nominative because in this sentence I am only talking about a pen. So beta, I hope this is clear to everybody. Revise the table again and I'll be explaining this concept more nicely in your WebEx session. Till then, bye bye, stay home and stay safe.